It was brought to my attention by restart that the animal heads are jittering. I hadn't noticed it, but now it's all I see. This video is a fix that removes unnecessary nodes and fixes the jittering problem. So let's get on with it. First, open your Animal BP and delete the switch on enumeration and connect begin play to the delay. At Animal Eat, delete the play anim montage node. It isn't necessary either. In the Animal Roam section, delete the last node for Animal Roam, it is redundant. Create a Boolean variable named is grazing. Drag in is grazing and choose set, place it between Animal Roam and AI Move to, leave it set to false. Again, drag is grazing in between Animal Eat and Animal Roam, choose set and tick it to true. Go to your Animal Anim BP event graph. The event begin play area is fine, but you'll need to delete the nodes for event blueprint update animation and replace it with the nodes from the third-person character Anim BP. Just highlight the whole section and copy it, then paste it in the Animal Anim BP event graph. Drag in BP Animal and select Get. Right-click and convert it to a validated Get. Then connect it between Event Blueprint Update Animation and is valid. Under the Settings Speed area, right-click and type Cast to Animal_BP. Right-click the node and convert to Pure Cast. Pull off as Animal BP and type Get is grazing and then promote is grazing to a variable called is grazing and connect it to set speed. Finally, pull from Try Get Pawn Owner and connect to Cast to Animal BP. Go to your Animal Anim BP Anim graph. These transitions are the problem, so we'll have to adjust them. In the transition from idle to eat, delete the wire to, can enter transition and drag off equals equals then type AND. Drag in is grazing and select Get. Drag off is grazing and type equals equals, tick the box to make it true, and connect that to AND. Then finish the connection. Highlight the nodes and copy them. Then go to the Eat to Idle transition and paste them there. Tick the true box to false and finish the connection. Compile and save. Back in the Animal BP, under AI Move to, you can adjust the delay times in random float in range to your liking. We can even add a delay in the Animal Eat section, between Set is Grazing and Animal Roam. Then duplicate the random float in range. And adjust the eating times for the animal. Compile, save and click play. The animal should not have any head jitters at this point. Until next time, I hope this helps and as always, enjoy and have fun.